How to get started with monday.com. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a brief tutorial about how you can get started with monday.com. So let's get into it. First of all, when you open monday.com, you have to sign in. When you sign in, you have to provide your email, your password, and then you'll be able to get into your account. When you basically provide a little bit details about your business or your workflow, then you can choose a specific account. As you can see, this is the account I'm going to choose right now, and then this will open up. Then this will be your homepage. So you have basically all the recently visited things right here. If you are a new person, I'm just going to show you a quick view of everything. First of all, everything on monday.com works from this option which says work management. So just go on that, and in here you are going to find all of your workspaces. So this is the main workspaces that I have. If you want to create a different new workspace, just go on this option and add a new workspace. Click on this option and you will be able to add a new workspace for yourself. Let's say project. I'm just going to name it project. So it is a private or closed. You can just go on and choose that option. After that, click on this option, add workspace. When you have added a workspace, now you need to add different content into it. You can add content from templates, or you can basically go on and add content from yourself. I'm just going to click on this option from add from templates. When you open template, you have your single project, you have your project portfolio management, you have different templates for yourself. If you are basically looking for some specific template, like if you're sales and CRM, freelancers, content production, project management, you can find all the templates right here. So I'm just going to find a project management template for myself, and let's see, I'm just going to get a single project management template, and I'm going to use this template. I was just basically making this template up for me into my workspace. Just going to wait a couple of seconds. Here you have your single project management template. So here you can see this is basically a board. Everything works with board. You make different boards for different tasks. So like this is the first board which is planning, then there is a board of execution, and then there must be a board of launch projects, and you can add a board of completed projects as well. So when project gets completed from planning to goes to execution, you can move projects from this board to this board. If they move from execution to launch, you can move projects, you can move tasks execution to launch, and then you can move them to your completed group. From this option, you can invite different members into your group. You can basically add different automations, you can integrate different apps, and in here you can find you can make different things. Like this is the task, this is the name of the task. You can add different tasks from this, start a conversation from this specific option. Then you have the owner. You can assign an owner to this task, and then the status, you can change it to whatever you want. Like this is done. Let's say it has future status steps, and then you have your timeline. The timeline is going to be the time it is going to take to complete this project. Then you have your duration. Then you have your dependent on. You can basically it doesn't depend on any task, any person, or anything like that. Then you have your planned effort, 12 hours, 22 hours, effort spent, how much effort has been spent, completion date, and completion status. If you want to add a specific new column, you can just go on and add a new column, where these are all the options of adding a column. After you have done everything, this is basically how you can use monday.com for different purposes. This is the basic of monday.com. You can add a lot of stuff. You can basically remove everything if some things are necessary, and you can basically manage everything in a much better way. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care, and bye bye.